Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're uncovering the beauty secret that's been used for centuries: rice water. It's simple to make and packed with benefits for your skin and hair. Let's dive into the top 5 reasons why you should start using rice water in your beauty routine. First up, rice water is rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamins B and E, which help nourish your skin and hair. These nutrients can improve your skin's texture and add shine to your hair. Benefit number 2, brightening and anti-aging. Rice water contains antioxidants that can help fade dark spots, reduce pigmentation, and smooth out fine lines, leaving your skin looking brighter and more youthful. Third, it's great for soothing and healing. Rice water has anti-inflammatory properties that can calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and speed up healing of acne or sunburn. Next, let's talk about hair. Rice water is known for strengthening and detangling. The inositol in rice water helps repair damaged hair and reduces breakage, making it easier to comb through and style. Finally, rice water acts as a natural hair conditioner. It leaves your hair soft, smooth, and shiny without any harsh chemicals. Just rinse your hair with rice water after shampooing, and you'll notice the difference. So there you have it, 5 amazing benefits of rice water for glowing skin and healthy hair. It's affordable, easy to make, and a great addition to your beauty routine. Thanks for watching. If you're excited to try rice water, then don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time.